The city of Holyoke has a perception problem. It's the perception that walking around downtown is dangerous. However, there's no crime data to back this up. The lack of pedestrian traffic impacts local businesses and hurts the local economy. When you look up images of Holyoke streets, it's hard to find any pedestrians, but we did find one. Here. Because this is a perception problem, we know we didn't need a high-tech solution. Instead, we needed a marketing solution, which is why we came up with the Holyoke Stroll. The Holyoke Stroll is a set path between incoming pedestrian sources, like parking garages and bus stops, and connects them to local downtown destinations. But we can't just set this path arbitrarily. We need to have the right data to determine where this path would be optimal. So we've come up with a two-phase rollout plan, the first of which is data collection. We've created a user dashboard that policymakers can use to look at where the best path might be. And phase two, we roll out this Holyoke Stroll with a brand and marketing campaign, and we continue to use data to expand the stroll. We collect data in a number of different ways, passively using traffic cameras to track pedestrian and vehicle traffic, and actively using Facebook. The interesting thing about Holyoke is that almost all of its citizens are on Facebook, but the average user is not that tech savvy, which is why solutions like See, Click, Fix don't work. Instead, we've created a citizen portal Facebook page, where posts to this page, complaints, are converted into See, Click, Fix data using natural language processing and the geotag of the Facebook post. All of this data gets collected into this dashboard that policymakers can use. You can see here that choosing different data inputs will allow you to see where the best route might be. Now, in terms of actually branding the stroll, the City of Holyoke has said that visual and aesthetic improvements is what's needed to the network. So besides just coming up with an attractive signage campaign, we also included a step counter, so that parking garage is just 90 steps away. Seems walkable. Local businesses along the stroll can pay a small annual subscription to be a part of the Holyoke Stroll. This will help offset the cost of our signage. In future years, we'd like to expand the Holyoke Stroll with 2 or 3 other lines that crisscross around the downtown area, making it very pedestrian friendly. Our thought is that if you can change the perception, you can change the pedestrian.